Hey everyone, we're on our way to Rainy Falls. Well, we're not going to Rainy Falls, we're going to Grave Creek Bridge. And this is the beautiful waterfall we stopped at last winter. And I thought we'd go walk over here with my camera on a better setting and check her out. See all the burnt trees from the forest fire a couple years ago. All burnt up here. It's Mother's Day 2025. Oh. I think that might be Oregon grape. Kind of looks like a grape. Wow, look at all that rock. Oh, rusty looking in there. Quartz vein with iron or something. I've been watching a lot of gold cannon shows.
Yeah, this is a popular spot here.
Look how that's a different color. I wonder if it's just spray painted. Kind of looks like it. What company?
I painted this hop around the water.
Yeah, be really careful here.
Oh, I'm just gonna.
Hi. Oh, they're going right up.
Wow. Yeah, wow. That's.
Wow. Oh. Well, we won't be walking up there. It must be so beautiful up there, though. Now I want to know what's up there. Well, we're not going up there. Maybe someday, but I don't think you'd make it. You stay there, Andrew. Wow, look at that. All right, we're not going to walk across that. We're going to go back the way. We'll get our feet wet if we try to cross here.
You had water shoes on.
Yeah. We had water shoes. Look at that. It's so cool. Alrighty, that concludes your trip to the waterfall in between Galice and Grave Creek Bridge. We'll see you at the next